at this point, it's not enough to watch Uthando Nesimbo on TV. I need to live Mzumbe, guys. I need management to come together and we figure out, Guti, are you sending me there in a private jet or in a train? It's gonna depend on you. I don't mind the shosholoza, guys, as long as I make it there to give you on the ground journalism. Because what the hell? What the hell, Yonte? Like, even Angel Mtaka's syllabus did not include these annexures and addendums. It's too much. It is six much. Okay? My gorgeous ladies, if you want to get your waxing done, okay, I've got an amazing spot for you all the way alone here. Umbali has got you covered from your lashes to your intimate waxes, your manis and paddies. Nabafana, boys. Maintenance is also important for boys. She's not closing you out. She works every day during the week, after hours. After your 9 to 5, you can book your service Kumbali and on weekends. And today I would like to focus on the waxing services because she is so amazing, guys. I got my wax and my lashes done from her. The space is clean. The space is intimate. The space is very comfy. Like you don't saba to kumula because need to. So if you are looking for these services, I will leave her details in the description box down below. Get yourself dolled up, Goopy, at Dolled F. Yan, amukela kunqobo yami ngomntaba kadad, ngomntaba kagogo, ngomntaba ka-auntie, ngomntaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at Sims Right Reviews on Instagram. So please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. I'm sorry, if you want more traffic on your platforms. Guys, Inkulu intenzeka eMzumbe. Inkulu, it's bigger than me intenzeka eMzumbe. Like, we only asked for reality. We didn't ask for documentary Bad Boys 1 and 2 all in one show. Sana, let us start with Sneh. Who's Sneh?
My pregnant test.
Yeah.
Yeah, put me positive.
Eh?
Yeah, put me positive. Konkulele.
Huh?
Usne is doing exactly what Musa wanted his wife to do. Usne, every noun, she's at the labor ward. Every cough, she's at the labor ward. Not that I want to police or monitor her happenings of her womb area, but Sneh, he's enough. He's enough. My sister, not for you. You, I know you can go on and on and on. For the sake of the children. Think about the children, Sneh. We have an affector. No, we have an affector. We have a moisturizing because you know Sneh wrong. I don't. No, you deserve to make your father cry. Your father doesn't deserve happiness. He deserves to cry. But no, Sneh, where's Akakulu? Preventation. Unga preventa nge-codings, unga preventa nge-brandy, unga preventa no isavana ayisasebenzi. Unga preventa nge-ram. Sneh, please, man. Something like something, Sneh, please. Asikhulume ngabantu abadala ke manje. Thobile. It sucks to be a woman so much because, like Thobile, we are literally inside her womb. We are inside her vagina. We are talking about her baby making efforts. Like it's so disgusting. It's so wrong. But it's currently the storyline in Mzumbe, and we have to talk about it, guys, because Ipingani, Thobile's sister, was here to clarify a lot of questions that we have. Okay.
Yahlala siyazazi zingaki zihlalile so no don't run away from this. Ngifuna lokho, as much as you are being sensitive, it's nice protector ukwenzela ukuthi engathi sekuzokala indaba angayizwa seyizwa ngabantu. We appreciate that, but neqiniso lokuthi uThobile, it's not like akazali. uThobile unayo ingane yashona. uThobile ukhuleliwe several times umthombeni. The last pregnancy ngicabanga ukuthi yaba u5 months. Siyabazi sonke ubuhlungu esabuzwa lapho. Akafelanga uThobile emthombeni, ungadlali ngoThobile.
Hey, kuningi mhlambe.
Njengoba nizwa bathi kena, yes, uThobile did have a child. Sadly, the child passed on. Like, it's painful to lose a baby, you know. The child passed on, and also not just that, she's been able to conceive, but now she's had difficulty in seeing the pregnancies to term, and she has suffered some miscarriages. and the last one devastated her and shattered her because it ended at 5 months. It sucks that we know so much information about someone else's womb that she didn't tell us this information, but because storyline, but because a viewership. You know, I think Utobile maybe knows Khori they were going to discuss this because it seems to be like the main storyline. Matele, I share my hope we happy Siswam. Siswam si la because of you will pay. When another oya a chiskop. You will pay. You will pay. Tabile, I pray for you more than I pray for Rebecca Malope. And it says a lot about me. Nobody Rebecca Yamsand. And the no, but I more than Angel Sech, I know Angel Sech and Yamsanda, guys. But like Tabile, honestly, I think this is one of the hardest seasons with you. And if we could, I think we would deserve to have like a one-on-one special with you. No, Tabile, you owe it to us because we are your fans, but we clearly don't know much. Now, when Basem Zumbe, like they seem to know much because apparently all these baby stories are from the mpagats of the community of Mzu. So, kuningi. And then when Asamke, don't think we don't see what you think we don't see, because we see it. We see you see it also. The slight shade, because it was alleged that Tobile had a child, Gakhatebe, and now you're playing songs from Gakhatebe. When? And I can see you're already driving that big car from the sponsorship. Sange! Makwena, Kwena Tips. When? If I was began, Matel is going to hlafuna you like a chapisi, then discard you. But anyway, okwakolok umdala ngithi ukwazile ukuba nokuba nomuntu omdala. So qhubekani. But yeah, guys, we will talk in the comment section down below. Kuningi kwenzeke eMzumbe. At this point in time, I really want to go and live in Mzumbe. I really want to live in Mzumbe. Can I please nurse myself, guys? Thank you for watching.
Manje siyabe semzumbi.
Semzumbe, Joe. Hassan.